What's up, people of the world? This is Big Bomb Jay. What's up, orchids of the world? I'm a little sick. I'm a little sick, actually. Am I really, really sick? I don't know. But my voice is kind of today, so I hope you guys understand that. I actually was a little sick yesterday, too, but it's a little better now. I'm here to continue my reaction with Nona, with their interview with Raditya Dika. So, I apologize if I mispronounce that again. So before I start this, I want to shout out a comment from that interview because obviously I did half of it, and obviously my video for some reason was able to handle 45 minutes for some reason. I have a problem with my laptop right now. I don't know why, but let's shout out this first. Where is the video? Okay, there we go. Oh my god, 40. Oh, I didn't even realize there was so many comments in that video. Damn. Okay. Okay, so while I'm looking, so my bias or my favorite member of Nona is Christy. My second favorite member on my bias record is Baila. Um, what I really loved about what they talked about was the fact that they talked about how they're all adults and that it's kind of easier for them to, to support one another. Also, be what's it called? Be there for one another, especially when it comes to the professional side of things. A lot of the comments on here we go. So RVS TTK, I agree with the mature age perspective. No hate on K-pop. Oh, I did mention this last video too. So yeah, I do agree with that. I feel like when it comes to debuting younger idols, I feel it's not just the obviously obvious fact of exposing young men and women to obviously the world through music and all in general with all the hate and everything, but it's also because of the overall maturity. Obviously, we're not saying that they're immature, but a perspective from an adult is different from a perspective from like a 16, 17-year old, you know what I mean, or 18-year-old. So there's a lot to that. And I'm not gonna go into it because obviously people are gonna obviously know what it is, when it comes to that. Like obviously, just in general, like how they will deal with what they're going through. So that's nice of it. So I think that's where we left off. So we're gonna watch it. So if you like, again, if you want to join my Discord, it's on the link down below. You guys can do whatever you want there, as long as you read the rules, respect the rules, respect one another, no fan numbers, please. Be a multi-stand just like me. And for the first time, people have been asking me. Yes, I have Instagram, I have TikTok. It is public, so it is up there if you guys want to subscribe and subscribe if you guys want to follow. Just don't be a weirdo. I've gotten the craziest DMs and all, and I'm like, bruh. Sorry, okay. Told you. So, what else I get? Okay, that was bad. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna try to avoid making comments like that because not comment like the way I talk. I'm gonna avoid making that.
Iya, kayak
You know.
gampang gitu loh kalau ngobrol satu sama yang lain.
We're adults.
We're
There you go.
adults.
That's where we left off.
Oke. Kalau sampai ke ini, sampai
There
ke
you go. It's
visual,
completely new now.
movie clips, music clips segala macam, itu kalian juga turut andil diskusi juga kah? Sampai ada syuting di Bali apa segala macam itu? Semua ya,
We
100%
always
ya?
say that we want to have Indonesian elements always
Oh, yeah.
in our
Woo.
music videos.
Represent.
and our
Let's
songs.
go.
Oke.
Jadi obviously mereka juga mikirin kita juga sih karena kita
Iya,
kasihkan kayak
iya.
makanya shoot pertama di Bali,
Iya.
Superstitious di Bali, Lullabies di Bogor,
Oh, supaya ada Indonesianya.
Iya.
work juga
There's a lot of like kayak ada
Indonesian
batiknya di
elements.
celananya, terus the instrument ceng-ceng,
Oke.
Yeah. there's a lot. Yeah.
and there's
Okay.
gonna be a lot more.
There's gonna be a lot.
Yeah. Let's go.
Ada slate buat tahun ini
I
ada.
think the best thing that I got from comments was the fact that because I did mention like a lot of the words in Indonesian are very similar to Tagalog or Filipino language. So I like that there were so many comments about that, like how it's so cool that we're all so close to each other. It is. It's cool.
Berapa single yang kita bisa expect buat keluar nih? Oh, langsung nengok semua.
Spoiler. It's good.
Langsung nengok semua.
Just know that we will be dropping soon.
Iya, seru nih kayaknya.
And we've
Seru,
been
seru, seru.
working hard.
For it. Yes.
Yeah.
Oke.
Dan ini aku excited banget sih. This next releases.
Aku juga.
Akan juga
Semua.
Kalau traveling ini kalian bolak-balik Jakarta, LA atau gimana tuh? Arrangementnya
Iya,
seperti apa sih?
Yeah, we always record. Our choreographer Sienna also itu ada di LA. Jadi kayak every time we have something coming up, we have to go to LA.
Sebenarnya kita base-nya di LA.
We are based in LA.
Tapi
Oh.
kalau misalnya ada panggilan
I knew that,
Indo
but-
kayak brands gitu makanya kita
Oh, yeah.
balik ke
Kerja,
Indo.
kalau ada kerja.
Atau
Kalau ada
performance gitu.
Damn, that's like a
di Indo aja sih kita balik ke Indo.
13, 12-hour flight.
But
Damn.
we've been living in LA ya.
Together.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yang bikin lama kita di Indo, kita nggak mau pulang. Jadinya
We love Indo.
Kayak makanan Indonesia
kita
kayak
nggak
nggak nendang gitu di LA.
Tapi emang
Harus kesini.
makanannya
Makanan
sih,
paling susah
makanannya
sih,
sih.
ya.
Di luar negeri tuh makanan Indo yang paling ngangenin gak sih?
Iya,
Iya,
sangat
kan?
sangat sangat sangat.
Berarti kalau kalian pulang ke sini makan, kerjaannya makan.
betul.
Landing langsung nasi padang.
Betul.
Aduh iya lagi.
Landing langsung rahang tuna.
Rahang tuna lagi. Pakai rica-rica itu ya.
Ooh, that looks
Gue makan dulu
good.
ya bentar ya. Oh wow, oke. Apa ininya challenges-nya untuk tinggal
Alright,
di
so
LA? Chrissy mungkin.
because you don't know, I'm living in LA right now. So I'm actually new here. I've been here 10 months. I've been here 10 months now. I've been here before, but living here is a completely different animal. But let's see what they say because let's see.
Ini tuh pertama kali jauh
I am here with family, but yeah.
sama keluarga.
Iya, iya.
Apa
Pertama
gimana?
kali.
Oh, terus
Karena
gimana
aku
tuh?
bahkan ke Jakarta pun papa aku kayak bukan nggak bolehin sih, lebih kayak kayaknya dia sedih aja gitu dia
Oh.
ditinggalin gitu kan.
Kayaknya gue banyak cewek lagi. Kamu anak pertama, anak bungsu.
Aku anak kedua.
Anak kedua.
Tapi kakakku cowok satu. Jadi ya aku anak cewek satunya.
Okay, yeah.
Tapi
Only
akhirnya
girls.
karena aku ngerasa oh ini cita-cita aku gitu kan. Jadi aku kayak no, I have to go.
Sacrifice.
Sorry.
Ada 3
Oh.
orang lain.
Iya, I will be okay. Terus akhirnya
She don't
papa
cry,
dulu
don't cry.
belum tahu tuh edit rising. Jadi terus dia pas aku kasih tahu dia langsung kayak pas aku bilang, "Papa, 3 hari lagi aku berangkat loh." Langsung kayak
That's so
dia
crazy,
langsung
3
buru-buru,
days.
cari tahu tuh apa tuh edit rising. Terus cari tahu terus
Dia nggak salah lihat kan 86 kan program polisi itu.
bener.
Oh,
Ya,
damn.
Siap 86.
That's probably why.
Kamu di razia ya?
Police.
Kamu kena razia kamu.
enggak. Dia udah lihat ada Brian. Dia
Oh,
juga
hell
ada
yeah,
Brian.
Rich
Terus
Brian.
dia kayak pas ngeliat ada Brian dia langsung kayak
Oh,
bagus nih,
Silakan.
boleh go gitu.
Pergilah.
Bagus boleh.
Pergilah.
Go away.
Go away.
Paling dia cuma bilang kayak sampein salam papa sama Brian gitu.
Tapi video call sering dong sama papa kan.
Iya pasti.
Suka dari bawah nggak kalau bapak?
Sama bapak.
yang ada video call tapi dari sini.
Oh iya benar. Benar hitam semua. Hitam
Kristi
semua.
gimana kabarnya?
Mana kalau ngomong keras banget lagi.
Betul.
Kenapa ya bapak-bapak ya?
Aduh nggak ngerti.
Tapi papanya Christy sama kayak Christy sih.
Very shy.
Very calm and
Kalau
collected.
Dancer juga atau?
Bisa kaya juga Bisa kaya sama papanya.
That back bend is gonna be Christy's like signature
Begitu
now.
kayak orang, wah heboh lagi dong dia. Apa nggak juga?
Tapi dia udah sampein ke ibu itu di depan dia bilang kayak titip ya anak saya gitu.
Oke.
Dia udah
Sudah percaya.
dia juga percaya sama aku juga sih. Aku udah lebih dewasa dari apa ya yang dia
Sorry, I apologize. I should have put that up.
bayangin. Mungkin anak-anak masih kayak takut gitu kan,
I
gimana
see.
tapi kayak dia ngeliat aku udah sejauh ini dewasa, kadang kayak ngehandle keuangan
I was like,
sendiri,
why am I looking
apa-apa
down
semua
there?
mandiri gitu.
Jadi udah bisa dilepas.
Iya bisa dilepas.
Sampai sekarang pun udah jadi mandiri lah ya.
Ya walaupun kadang kayak kalau aku sini gitu. Pasti kangen. Iya.
Gampang ke distract kayaknya ya. Gampang ke distract kayaknya.
Ya kadang lupa rumah kita di mana.
Oh iya. Pasti LA.
Kita yang harus pesen.
Be right back. What's up? Sorry, guys. Man, I don't know if I can react today. I was thinking of doing a lot today, but I'm having fun here, though. I don't know why my body is not responding well.
Kayak Christy kalau misalnya mau jalan ke mall aja aku kayak harus ngeliatin nyalain nggak
Iya.
locationnya.
Aku suka
Funny.
dimarah gara-gara location aku mati gitu.
Kamu mana? Ini udah jam 8
Iya aku udah bilang,
Aduh,
iya
deg-degan juga ya.
aku bisa enggak hidupin sekarang juga.
Oke, oke. Yang paling homesick siapa sebenarnya? Pas lagi di LA awal-awal itu.
Kok pada ngeliat gue?
Baila nggak ya? Baila nggak gitu?
Homesick banget lah.
Aku juga
I
homesick.
feel like it'd be Baila.
Kamu tuh lama di Australia kan?
Iya.
UNSW dulu kan?
Jadi aku agak
Oh,
oke lah.
I'm a little bit good. That's crazy.
Udah biasa soalnya.
Jauh.
Iya, keluarga mungkin bahkan nggak tahu ini lagi di mana ya anaknya.
Tapi yang kayak paling-paling kayaknya aku sama Christy
Iya,
paling-paling.
paling.
Iya, tinggal di negara orang tuh emang ngangenin juga sih, apalagi
Iya.
ada keluarga apa segala
Keluarga sih
macem.
sebenarnya keluarga paling, karena aku belum pernah lepas sama keluarga kan. Lepas juga waktu itu cuman aku pindah ke Bali 1 tahun, terus papaku tiba-tiba ngikut. Jadinya kayak 5 tahun sama papa, jadi nggak pernah lepas sama keluarga. Jadi ini pertama kali aku lepas.
Oh,
Gemes.
Don't touch it.
So sorry. Marahin aku.
Keluarga aku keluarga sih. Titi juga pasti keluarga.
Yes.
Dan makanan.
Tapi aku makanan karena kalau di Australia tuh sebenarnya Indonesian food banyak kan. Bener-bener
I need to try
telur-telurnya
some
juga banyak Indonesian
sambal,
food. Tapi kalau di
bro.
LA kayak jauh kayak we need to drive like an hour gitu.
To get Indonesian food from where we live.
Atau
Makanya aku yang
supermarket Asian gitu jauh-jauh. Tapi kalau di Aussie tuh banyak.
she's an
Dan
Aussie
apa
girl. I did not know that. Cool. Australia.
Gimana gimana?
Enggak, karena aku sama Ade sekamar kan.
Heeh.
Di kamarnya tuh nyetok tuh semua sambel-sambel, semua
Oh, so
Pedes
she's
pokoknya.
very
Ya,
experienced
yang
with that.
paling
Okay.
bisa pedes. Kalau nggak pedes dia nggak
Christy
That's why she's the winner.
Iya, aku.
Oh, kamu juga suka.
Love that challenge.
It's something that we're share in
Oh, itu
common.
dia.
Mereka tim pedes.
Iya.
Tim
Oh.
pedes.
Tim makan, tim pedes.
Enggak, kalian nggak tahan
kuat.
pedes.
Tapi
nggak-
belakangan ini aku mulai
Aku
pedes
juga
sih.
udah, aku
Oke, iya iya. Makanya kita levelnya masih
Good job,
level
good job.
bawah.
Masih baru ya.
Good job. Tapi aku ngerasa tertolong banget kalau ada Syaz misalnya karena dia udah ngerti kalau homesick tuh apa makanan-makanan yang dia bikin sendiri gitu. Jadi kadang aku kayak ngeliat dia pas lagi masak ini terus aku kayak cium bau-bau makanan Indonesia nih, terus aku kayak turun minta dong gitu.
Udah gini.
Minta dong.
Siapa yang biggest foodie di antara kalian? Yang kalau kemana kerjanya makan ini, makan ini, makan ini.
Shaz.
Oh, kamu.
Aku makan banget.
Cita-cita dia pengen jadi
Food vlogger, please.
Oh gitu.
Yes.
Enak dia. Gak
Iya.
picky dia.
Yeah. Support
Dan
me.
dia tuh lagi masa pertumbuhan.
Oh, she's a vlog. Let me know down below.
Tadi
Her
kamu
vlog.
baru bilang kita udah adult.
I will follow them all.
Ada di mata aku selalu ada.
Iya,
Ada nggak boleh.
Not in that way though.
Iya, iya,
Obviously.
iya. Oke, kalau misalnya lagi pergi-pergi, terus mau ada acara di Jakarta atau balik lagi ke LA, siapa yang bangun tidurnya paling lama? Kayak ini susah banget nih.
3, 2, 3.
Kebanyakan makan. Iya. Karena makannya lagi banyak banget. Jadi karbo.
Food coma.
Itu aku tahu deh kenapa
Kayaknya
kamu
deh.
bangun lama.
Kayaknya karbonya kebanyakan,
Betul.
ngantuk jadinya.
Jadi kita kalau jadwal pagi tuh kayak kita selalu nanya Ade, kamu nggak apa-apa? Bangunnya sepagi ini.
Susah ya dibangunin tapi apa?
Dibangunin susah sih tidak. Bangun sendiri kok dia. Tapi ya
Lama aja.
loadingnya itu loh. Masuk mobil
Nggak,
masih
aku
kayak
akan kalau bisa aku tidur lebih banyak, aku akan tidur lebih banyak. Jadi kayak misalnya schedule-nya kayak jam 10, tapi Kristi udah bangun kayak dari jam 6 gitu.
Wah,
Damn,
bangun gue.
6 a.m. Crazy.
Bisa gitu.
Hell no.
Iya,
Let's
Karena
kidding.
di kepala kamu kayak masih
Oh,
bisa.
sorry.
Iya.
I'll check
Jadi
something.
tidurnya lebih banyak gitu.
Oke, berarti
Tapi-
yang paling bangun kamu paling
Bangun cepat aku dan Esther, aku
Iya.
mirip.
juga.
Oh iya, itu juga serius.
Kamu ditinggal.
Don't leave her behind, guys,
paling
girls.
Iya.
Oke.
Siapa yang cepat? Paling terakhir.
Karena bangunnya.
Cuman dia tapi dia cuma bisa 15
cepat.
menit.
Oke.
Siap-siapnya cepat.
Siap-siapnya
Karena-
lebih cepat.
Karena bangunnya lebih lama.
Oke, dikompensasi itu ya.
Iya, jadi kayak
Kadang aku heran kayak aku udah full semua, dia baru bangun tidur. Dan
That's crazy.
misalnya aku kayak tinggal
I didn't
rambut
going
atau
to
apa gitu, terus dia
a
baru
performance.
kasih
No, I probably did before me.
bener-bener jarak gitu tuh beda jauh tapi
Tapi cepat.
sabar selesainya.
Selesainya
Tapi
bareng.
tunggu dulu. Ade bangun jam 9 siap-siap langsung jam 10 selesai. Kristi bangun dari jam 5
Wow.
jam 10 belum selesai siap-siap.
Dedication right there. She could be a doctor. She could be a nurse.
Sebenarnya kita kan ada 2 lantai ya apartemen yang di LA. Itu kita bertiga bisa udah di bawah. Kristi, udah di bawah mobilnya.
Terus kita bisa dengerin lari-lari.
That's funny.
Padahal bangunnya
That's what.
Oh, ya.
That's the process of like when you're in the bottom floor, you can hear everybody come
Berarti
down.
kamu menikmati semua proses itu ya?
Iya, dia
Nyatok di
iya.
proses, dinikmati.
Aku nyanyi dulu.
Iya
aku
nyanyi
kayak
dia.
Dia perlu kayak
Doa dulu.
That's nice.
Meditasi
Something
dulu.
that she said she's not comfortable with yet.
Ayo,
Main
kerja
game
yuk gitu.
Pray, man. You gotta
Oke,
pray.
Kalau yang ini paling suka olahraga di
Oh,
antara
that's
kalian.
that's definitely who's that? That's probably Christy. I think no, it's either Christy or Shaz.
Kemana ke hotel, kerjaannya di gym
Enggak nge-gym
Oh.
sih.
atau
kalau
apa?
kamu padel sih.
Iya.
Aku
Paling
lebih
suka
tenis
padel.
sama padel sih.
Oh,
Kayak
tennis.
setiap hari aku main.
Okay.
Padel.
Iya,
Di
tenis juga.
sana
Padel.
ada, maksudnya rame juga
Paddle.
di
Nah, itu
LA.
dia.
Pickleball?
Di sana tuh nggak punya teman.
Dia lagi
yang mau
mencari.
What's padel? I'm curious. Padel. I think that's just translation to something, right? Padel sport. What is that? Oh, it's pickleball. Oh, it's pickleball. Oh, cool.
padel.
Iya.
Like
Kita
pickleball.
lagi memaksa
Ya, maaf,
Maksain teman-teman aku
Or
ini
tennis.
yang cantik-cantik. Yuk kita
Iya.
main, tapi nggak ada yang mau.
No, thank
Ada
you.
kemarin main sama aku.
Aku pertama kali nyobain kemarin sama Bella.
Main padel.
Padel
Di
kemarin di
LA
sini.
apa di
Di
Jakarta?
sini.
Ini baru kemarin.
Oh, di Kemang, di daerah mana?
Di mana ya deh kemarin?
Nggak
deh?
tahu.
Dekat rumah aku.
Oke.
Iya, dekat rumah dia.
Oke, main padel terus seru nggak main padel?
Seru
Jujur.
banget. Seru.
Itu pertama kali.
Pertama kali.
Berarti kamu ngajarin dong? Ada
Iya.
ya?
Oh.
Iya.
Aku sabar kan?
Iya, katanya kamu jago loh.
Untuk orang yang baru pertama kali.
Makasih ya,
Jago dia.
makasih.
Oh
makasih
iya,
ya.
ada basic
Basic tennis.
atau
Aku dulu badminton aja sih.
oh.
Aku
Ah.
tapi sebenarnya olahraga aku suka dari dulu,
Damn,
dari
basketball.
basket, berenang,
Okay,
badminton.
Shaz.
Nah, padahal kan aku baru nyoba aja pertama kali.
Jujur tapi
Athlete.
seru sih.
Yeah, she's definitely the one who
Sih.
exercises the
Aku
most,
kayak nggak ada
probably.
capeknya kemarin abis apa ya? Abis
Perform.
recording,
Iya,
abis
abis
perform
recording,
aku
ya.
langsung main.
Cuma banyak teriak-teriak aja.
Ya maaf,
Oh,
maaf,
itu
maaf.
rilis ya. Ada rilisnya ya.
Yeah, anger, man.
Oh man.
Serunya di situ nggak sih?
Iya.
Ya.
Itu emang aku suka tenis sama padel gara-gara aku bisa rilis
Kayaknya nggak
emosi
ada yang
aku
teriak
di
kayak
situ.
gitu ya deh.
Ada.
Aku.
Tapi hati-hati loh kalau main padel teriak-teriak itu suara abis nih kayak video.
The song will come out like that.
Gara-gara padel.
Abis suaranya gara-gara padel.
Itu
Iya.
gue lagi abis recording lagi.
Nggak dia, nggak kan suaranya dia banyak. Kan kita pakai head voice. Jadi
Oh.
Yo, pakai teknik teriaknya pakai teknik.
Pakai kor.
Oh, diafragma kebuka.
Ya.
That's a new intro for the next song. Watch it.
Jangan pakai chest ya kan. Oke, situ.
Iya, kebetulan dia lagi artis development juga sih.
Right, spoiler, right? That's the next artist of
Kan
88 Rising.
base-nya di sana. Emang tipikal harinya tuh kayak
Kita
apa
di
sih?
sana kerja mulu.
Misalnya tuh bangun jam berapa biasanya? Ini tipikal hari nih. Let's say on a Tuesday deh.
On a Tuesday.
Coba, on a
we were-
recording day.
recording
Taco
day,
Tuesday.
yang pasti mulai jam 12.
Mulai recording jam 12 siang.
Bener.
Iya, selalu jam 12
Oke,
siang.
berarti bangunnya
Jadi aku sama Kristi sama Esther udah bangun dari jam 6.
7 atau 6.
wow.
Ada ya,
Paling
ya jam
10.
11 lah.
Oke.
11.30 lah.
Oke. Rekaman jam 12 nih. Kalian bangun sepagi itu. Apa? Sarapan di luar, masak, apa? Di apartemen ini
Aku
tuh
suka
gimana?
bikin sarapan di bawah sih.
Ya.
Di bawah
Oke.
maksudnya kayak
Di-
masak di.
Kayak tahu banget gue dia nanya itu.
I know, right? Like I was like wondering, like, would he know that?
Ya.
Masak, kamu masak.
Iya, terus habis itu palingan pergi beli kopi kita berdua.
Kita berdua
suka.
biasanya ngopi
Kadang
dulu di
tapi
bawah.
Bella suka udah pesenin sarapan juga.
Iya.
Jadi
Itu kalau
aku
pagi banget sih.
nggak perlu
Iya.
pikir.
Oke.
Itu kerjaan aku di LA sih.
Ya.
Pesenin makanan, pesenin mobil. Make sure everybody's down by 10:30 or 11:30.
As a
Kalau
leader.
mau teriakin.
She's the mom.
You're the mom.
She's the
Yeah.
mom.
Yes, you're the mom.
You are.
The padel mom. Oke.
So someone mentioned to me like that I had a friend who kind of resembles a lot of Baila, especially mannerisms all, and they were like, "Oh, that's my favorite comment." There we go. That if I have a crush on that person, I say, nah, a little too much. Just kidding. Just love you.
Mam Jaksel tuh padel mam semua tuh.
Ini mamang Jackson. Gue 3.
Kayak dia ngurusin semua, kopi udah ada,
Iya.
segala macam, bantu organize. Selesai sarapan jam 9, 10.
Iya.
Segitu laundry nggak? Nggak laundry nggak?
Laundry malam.
Laundry
kita
malam
biasa.
sih.
Laundry malam berarti tuh ditumpuk-tumpuk dulu aja kali ya. Oke, terus pergi nih ke studio.
Iya.
Nih ke studio.
Kayak 10 menit, 10 menit gitu.
Oh, dekat sama studionya.
Dekat.
Berarti engineer, operator tuh boleh semua tuh.
Iya.
Iya.
Very strict and on time dong biasanya kan.
Kita selalu on time sih.
Iya.
Biasanya sih on time.
Oke.
Ya, kita selalu datang duluan.
Tetap beda-beda orang sih. Ada yang
Iya.
on time, ada yang enggak.
Asik.
Gitu. Karena di sana nggak ada macet.
Maaf
Iya
ya.
Jadi kayak
Kalau di sini kayak
kalau di sini
2
telat
menit
terus,
sebelum
maaf
juga
ya.
bisa.
Kalian naik mobil atau jalan
Mobil,
10 menit
mobil.
itu? Oh mobil.
Karena di LA susah sih jalannya.
Yes. Oh man.
Oke.
LA
Masuk
sucks,
studio
bro.
recording. Jam
Masuk.
12 masuk nih.
Traffic.
Udah
Oh.
rekaman atau masih workshop?
kita warm up dulu biasanya.
Mama
Oke.
mikirin makan siang apa.
Aku biasanya nyampe langsung pesen apa ya guys hari ini.
Oh, itu Indonesia banget sih.
itu belum nyampe, baru di mobil. Nanti makan siang apa ya?
Kalian maunya apa hari ini?
Oke.
Kayak itu apa
That's
ya?
me too.
Menginiin mood hari ini gitu loh.
Bener,
Iya
ngeset
sih,
mood,
iya.
ngeset
Iya.
mood.
Iya bener.
Kayak dateng, lalu apa? Gantian recording tuh maksudnya ada jadwalnya Baila hari ini. Kenapa harus berempat sama-sama ke studio?
Sebenarnya jujur banget ya, bisa aja sih satu-satu.
Sebenarnya.
Tapi kita perlu emotional support
Iya,
always.
bener. Terus kayak kita biasanya nge-record satu lagu tuh satu hari. Jadi semuanya di satu hari.
Ya, selesai langsung.
Oh itu langsung bungkus tuh, bisa langsung mixing tuh.
Iya, biar kayak udah
Wow,
buru-buru aja
gila
deh.
sih.
Kadang-kadang sih tapi kalau
Kecuali-
kita lagi ambis banget.
Ya, kecuali kalau misalnya kayak dari CEO-nya kayak bilang, oh ada yang
Ada
kurang di
notes,
part ini,
apa
mungkin.
Kita next day atau
Ya,
Tapi
apa.
mostly sih sehari.
sehari,
Mostly
ya.
sehari. Ya.
Itu terlalu keren sih tapi
Makasih.
langsung recording sehari langsung beres
Mostly
sih.
Orang with
Yeah, I can say what they had like
one-
500 songs.
Tapi
Damn,
kita juga
man.
kayaknya kalau misalnya record
It's good,
lama-lama
man.
tuh kayak
It's really good.
terlalu jadi banyak mikir, feel-nya nggak dapet jadinya malah.
Oh.
Jadi feel-nya hilang gitu karena jadi terlalu itu saya sih. Saya terlalu
Iya.
perfectionist misalnya.
Oh, I didn't realize Chaz is so
Biasanya tag satu
great
dan
at
dua tuh
conversations.
yang
Bener
mungkin
kayak
paling
ya,
ini kan
biasanya
ya.
kalau tambah perfectionist malah jadi
That
hilang.
should be really quiet.
udah ngerti.
Oh, udah ngerti sekarang. Udah selalu ngerti.
Udah ngerti ya, sementara dia nyanyi kalian makan siang kapan gitu. Lagi nunggu
Iya
nih.
lagi.
Oke, berarti on a recording day selesai jam 7 malam, jam 6 malam?
Ya,
Jam
7.
7 jam
Oh,
8.
7 hours.
Itu
Damn,
langit
man.
masih cerah tuh kalau di LA itu, apa udah gelap tuh?
Kalau lagi winter udah gelap.
Yeah, it's dark.
Makanya
Yeah.
kadang-kadang kita kayak kalau ngeliat matahari kayak oh my god.
Jadi kita selalu di dalam.
karena kita di dalam kan gelap.
Oke, keluar
Oh, 7 hours.
makan malam dong.
The
Kalau
day
jam
job.
7 dong.
Di rumah.
Capek sih di rumah kita.
Oh, udah
It's a dream
kecapean
job, though.
makan malam di rumah. Berarti cukup padat juga ya, ternyata ya.
Either recording atau enggak misalnya kita dance practice juga kayak gitu juga. Dari seharian di studio, malam pulang udah makan tidur.
Sorry. Ooh, goddamn.
Selalu diisi dengan recording dan dance practice kah selama kalian di home base kalian itu di LA?
Other than that, meeting-meeting gitu. sama-
Meeting-meeting bikin
Pasti selalu
konten.
penuh ya.
Ya, meeting-meeting terus.
Berarti hari liburnya apa? Sabtu,
Weekend.
Minggu? Atau apa itu libur?
Tergantung sih.
Ah,
Tapi tergantung kayak misalnya hari Senin nggak jadi recording ya itu libur atau apa gitu. Nggak pernah ada fixed date.
Yes.
After the debut ya, sebelum the debut fix semuanya.
Iya, tapi sekarang setelah debut kayak everything tuh spontan.
Spontan aja.
Oh.
Spontan. Spontan.
Gue banget.
Sorry.
Ajarin itu dong cara ngasih tip yang bener gimana sih? Kadang-kadang kalau lagi di Amerika tuh ngasih tip ada
Yeah.
4 kotak. 20%, 30% nih.
That's a lot, 30% though. Goddamn. Oh my god, I remember we paid for what, $29 for hot pot, and it ended up being 46. Like, bruh, $16 tip? Y'all crazy. That's literally like 2 meals in Burger King or McDonald's. Like, damn.
Gue harus ngasih berapa
Biasanya
sih?
kan kotaknya ada 3. Standarnya tuh yang di tengah.
Ya.
Berapa?
Philippines different.
20.
Like, tipping is
Ada yang
different.
mulai dari 20, ada yang mulai dari 15.
15, ada yang
Iya,
10.
ada dari 10.
Tapi aku
Crazy.
selalu pencet yang tengah aja sih.
Iya, biasanya yang
Which is
sopan tuh yang tengah.
15.
Ya, just
20.
whichever mereka
Oke.
minta.
Tapi
Sometimes
bisa
it's 20.
custom juga, by the way.
Iya, tapi kalau custom kan
enak.
Iya, iya
kesannya
jangan.
kayak gimana?
Custom kalau yang mau melebihi dari.
Benar.
Iya,
benar.
Oh.
Siapa tahu mau kasih.
Wow, rich girls, let's go.
Siapa tahu.
Orang gue beli coklat aja di bandara.
Iya.
Oh, iya benar.
Iya.
Jadi kita beli coklat nih, bayar coklat terus gini. Mau berapa tipnya? Mau berapa tip? Karena gue
Tapi
beli
ngerti sih,
sendiri.
oh aku di Amerika juga oke.
For service.
Iya kan gue beli sendiri. Gue datang nih, gue aja udah galak nih.
Yeah, it's
Mau
kind
berapa
of.
tip? Mau berapa tip? Kok mau berapa tip? Berarti emang
Tergantung
customnya
juga
gitu
sih.
ya?
Kalau self service biasanya kalau nggak dikasih tip waiternya mereka juga nggak
They're
offended.
okay.
They're
Iya.
okay.
Bener ya?
Iya.
Next time gue ke Amerika, kalau dia ngejar kata S kan, ini videonya. Ini videonya.
Video proof, girl. You better be careful.
Self service nggak dibantuin siapa-siapa sebenarnya mereka oke.
Mereka oke ya?
Tapi kalau kayak restoran
Iya.
atau kayak
Yeah, you have to tip.
Itu
Retail.
harus. Karena mereka juga
They
dapat
live.
dari tip,
Iya.
dari tip juga dibagi-bagi
iya,
kan.
itu masuknya ke mereka soalnya.
Oke, soalnya
Iya.
agak kagetnya diputer kan. Mau berapa? Mau berapa?
Dramatis gitu.
Oke, wah seru banget. Ini terakhir mau
Finally.
bacain pertanyaan-pertanyaan. Jadi karena kalian datang ke sini,
Sama.
ada yang nanya buat kalian juga.
Penasaran deh.
Bentar ya.
Terakhir nih.
Dari Momo.
Mama.
Nona keren banget. Latihannya seintens apa setiap mau ngeluarin lagu baru?
Intens banget.
banget.
sih, sampai kita pulang-pulang tuh harus pijitin each other.
Oh,
Kita
Call
pakai
me.
minyak
Minyak
tawon.
tawon.
Minyak
Tapi yang tutupnya putih
Sponsor.
lagi. Emang itu brand ya?
Ini jujur ini dia udah ngomong ke 10.000 orang.
Tapi berhasil gak? Tapi ya minyak tawon dia berhasil banget.
Itu
Minyak
kita
tawon.
we call
Oh,
it
it's
the magic
oil.
oil.
It's the
Tapi
magic
yang,
oil.
yang tutup putih ya, bukan yang tutup merah.
Oh,
Karena beda.
beda ya?
Wow, putih also white. Damn.
Itu
Literally
panas
same.
gitu.
That's crazy.
Jadi
oke.
Cool.
dia ini tukang bagi-bagiin minyak.
Tagalog, I
tawon.
mean.
Oke.
Jadi kayak kita harus pakai itu buat supaya sehat. gitu.
Besoknya tuh langsung, misalnya kan kita pegel banget dong tiap hari, nah hari gitu tuh kayak pegel banget, terus besoknya pasti kita langsung
Pokoknya moto dia apapun sakitnya minyak tawon obatnya.
Oh, itu kan kenapa badan kamu putih karena sesuai dengan tutupnya.
Lah dia brand ambassador.
She's advertising it.
Iya lagi deh.
She's a good host, man.
Itu bandaran di
Iya lagi deh.
Baunya kayak apa sih? Minyak tawon kan bukannya khas ya?
Tapi khas
Khas kan?
banget.
Bau minyak tawon tuh khas kan?
Khas.
aku mau cerita boleh gak tentang minyak tawon?
Boleh dong, boleh dong, boleh dong.
Kita makan dulu ini ceritanya.
Ini kayaknya udah terlalu dalam deh kamu dengan minyak ini.
Tapi ini emang menjual banget.
Oke, apa? Ada apa? Ada
Ini
apa?
lucu sih.
Ada apa dengan minyak tawon?
Iya, jadi pertama kali aku introduce minyak tawon ke mereka itu
Heeh.
pakai cerita ini, jadi mereka langsung kayak apa ini minyak tawon
Oke,
ya,
oke.
jadi pengen gitu
Siap
kan.
nih, kebeli nih gue nih. Ayo.
Tolong dibikin filmnya di sini. Karena ini jujur lucu banget.
Gimana?
Iya, pertama tuh kayak di keluarga aku tuh udah terkenal minyak tawon ini.
A family
buat
thing.
pegel-pegel gitu kan, yang tutup putih ya.
Oke.
Iya deh.
Terus jadi kayak tante aku tuh cerita ke aku kalau ya kamu kalau nari ini gini itu pakai minyak tawon aja gini gitu kan. So kayak oh ya itu bisa ya gitu kan. Terus dia bilang oh aku tuh apa aja sakit apa aja aku pakai minyak tawon ini. Tapi kayak maksudnya dia sakit apa aja tuh dia pakein itu gitu, kayak kalau injured, sprained ankle atau apa gitu, terus selalu langsung sembuh.
That's actually
gitu
kind of
kan.
I'll
Tapi
talk about it
selama aku
after.
belum kayak
Masa sih?
gitu kan. Tapi yang bikin aku kayak oh adalah jadi dia cerita dia tuh pelihara ayam gitu kan, banyak tuh ayamnya. Terus dia sayang banget sama ayamnya kan. Terus ada satu ayam.
Oh my gosh, he used it on the chicken. Oh my god.
Ada satu ayam udah sekarat banget
That's
nih, udah
crazy.
mau mati gitu. Terus habis itu dia kayak oh my god aku harus kasih
Oh my
dia
god. It's funny.
Ayam gue mau mati nih. Siapa
Tapi
ya?
beneran dia kayak
Like
udah lemes
cooking
banget,
oil.
udah
Just
bentar
kidding.
lagi udah mati gitu kan. Terus dia kayak coba aja gitu kan pakai minyak tawon di lehernya. Terus habis
Di
itu-
lehernya.
Iya. Terus habis itu ayamnya langsung lari terus nggak jadi mati.
Ayamnya sedang
Oh. That story is cute.
Tapi ya abis
So I was saying, like, in Philippines, there's like a myth of like, if you guys know Vicks, it's for like, obviously for headaches and all. If you have a hurt ankle, Vicks. If you have a cold, Vicks. If you have a flu, Vicks. If you have, and even like for the funny, like, not funny, but like if you're going through something mentally, like Vicks. It's always Vicks. It's the same thing.
Oke, minta.
Oke.
Oh, kamu kebeli dengan cerita ayam itu?
I mean, the chicken lived, right?
Dari ayam sekarat tiba-tiba pakai minyak tawon hidup lagi. Bikin kembali.
Dia jadi mati aja dia langsung lari gitu, langsung energetik, tadinya udah lemas banget gitu.
Iya. Sekarang Kristi kayak gitu. Kalau dicium minyak tawon dikit, ayam.
Back bend. The back bend. Let's go.
Ada berapa bule yang kebeli dengan minyak tawon dia?
Banyak, Dek.
Bule-bule pakai itu
Our
jadinya.
choreographers.
Iya.
Oh.
Ini juga apa minyak
Minyak tawon.
Namanya Cheryl.
Minyak tawon.
Minyak
Hornet
tawon.
oil. Hornet oil.
Yeah,
Yes.
white top. Yes.
White top,
Wow.
white cap.
Iya.
Oke,
There you go. I got it.
pertanyaan terakhir ya.
Sorry, Momo.
Dari Rainby, Nona apakah sama seperti girl band Korea yang di mana setiap member itu punya
Oh,
peranan masing-masing?
oh yeah. I like
Ada
doing
yang lead
seeing these,
vokal,
but
center,
I
leader,
think everyone's the
dancer,
same
rapper,
pretty much.
maknai, DLL. Jika iya, boleh nggak di share?
So I feel like lead vocal is definitely Esther. Center is probably Baila. rapper Maknae is definitely Shaz, and then I think lead dancer or main dancer is
Leader, lead dancer,
Christy.
rapper,
There you
maknai,
go.
DLL. Jika iya, boleh
Wow,
nggak
this person got lucky.
di-share posisi
Ooh, good
masing-masing
job,
member itu
man,
seperti
Momo.
apa?
1, 2, 3.
Lalu boleh nggak apakah tiap member nggak boleh ngambil peranan member lainnya?
The roles are really for me.
Satu, dua,
It doesn't
tiga.
really matter.
Oh, tidak.
I think everyone is
Berarti
good at
memang di
everything.
sini,
Semuanya lead
semua-
vokal, semuanya lead
Iya.
dancer, semuanya lead
Yeah.
rapper,
Nggak ada
semuanya lead
leader.
minyak tawon.
Yeah,
Semua
exactly.
memang.
Minyak Tawan
minyak
unites
tahun
us all.
mempersatukan kalian.
That's funny. Oh my god. Her talking about the oil, my throat is actually better now. It worked, girls. It worked. It worked, Shaz. I'm a chicken.
Itu begitu kalian
Oh my god, I'm good now.
penampil
Wow.
berikutnya, ini mau.
Iya lagi. Tapi baunya emang strong banget.
Iya
sih.
emang minyak tahun. Aku ingat itu dulu zaman aku kecil itu.
Iya strong banget. Tapi
Ya udah,
kok jadi ke minyak tahun?
Iya, kita tidak ada peran masing-masing.
Ya.
Yeah, because
Yeah, just
Esther, she brought it up.
Ya.
Siap. Terima kasih Nona udah mampir ke sini.
Aw.
Senang banget bisa kedatangan kalian. Kalau misalnya ada project yang bisa kalian share buat tahun ini mungkin apa biar kita bisa expect dan nungguin.
ada deh.
Yeah.
Tapi tapi ditungguin ya.
Tungguin
karena-
ya. Ada kok, ada janji ada.
Yang sabar ya.
Sabar.
Akan ada kejutan-kejutan baru dari Nona. Kalau mau tahu soal Nona bisa di-share YouTube, Instagram, sosmednya. di
Please
mana?
follow all of them.
Oh iya, iya di sini. Iya. Gak apa-apa. Yang edit itu yang kumisan. Itu yang edit
Iya,
gak
iya,
apa-apa.
Kak. Di sini
Bisa.
ya.
Di sini Instagram.
There you go. Nice job, man. There you go.
Sama ini
Di sini.
Instagram
Aww, that's awesome.
and subscribe.
Yeah, that's what I want you to do.
This is our dream, you guys.
Oke, makasih semuanya. Thank you udah mampir. Thank you semua.
Aww.
Thank you.
Siap, aduh seru banget.
Yeah, that's good. Before it like goes to the next video. Okay, that was my reaction, guys, to Nona on the show called Raditya Tika. So this is a podcast. So yeah, this is what I was told. Awesome. That was such a. Honestly, it's so nice to see Shaz because when I first got into Nona, I thought Shaz was gonna be a little bit more. Wow, my throat is clear now. Like I would like, obviously you guys saw me dying with coughing and like sneezing too. I got healed. No, you just healed me. You healed me. Shaj, Manyak T1. Okay, Manyak T1. I think even saying it, you get healed. I'm the chicken. Yeah. Anyway, I love seeing Shaz here. I think she, and I also kind of saw it also in their Folkative, also the challenge where they were the food. She's very very she seems very extroverted. You know, I think she has a very very strong personality like for like shows like this. And I think everyone in general, Myla obviously is a natural. Christy I also thought was very very quiet, but no, she's very bubbly, goofy too. And then Esther also the same way as Myla probably. And yeah, it's nice. It's ever they what I learned from here is that they are literally like people that you will not get intimidated by. I feel like you can just easily approach them, obviously in a very respectful way, but you can easily approach them and they'll just be like, "Oh my god, hi, use Minyak Tawan," like that. That's gonna be the new joke now. Got it. Anyways, yeah, man, I'm really loving these girls. Again, I don't do this just because of the what I get from it. It's because I really really love these girls. I was screaming for them at Head in the Clouds. You know, it's pretty cool. I know that there were so many people in the front who were obviously supporting them. I'm not gonna say they didn't have any fans, but I was pretty much the loudest one. I was in the middle. If you guys want to see that vlog, it's down below. But I was in the middle and I was going crazy screaming for them. Bila killed me that day. She did. She did with that outfit, with just in general, 100-degree weather or something like that. Oh, it was really good. But for me, I love the Manyak T1 story. I think it's very similar to what the Filipinos do with Vicks, which is also pretty much the same. And then, but it's like a ointment more. But I also love that topic of just like being homesick. I think it's very normal. I also went to the Philippines to study for college, and I was alone. I wasn't alone, but like you have cousins, you have aunts, you have uncles, you have nieces, nephews. It hits different without mom, dad, brother, sister. I mean, it does hit different. especially when you're working towards something that obviously is your dream, and obviously you don't have that support, especially during the really really tough days. But really nice that they have each other. I had so many friends. I have a shout out to my Gago crew. That's my crew. They were there for me for the entire time, especially during the really, really tough days. And I was invited by a lot of people to go to Christmas, and also it's nice that these girls have, each other. Um, I think that's honestly the only thing they can do, because obviously they're gonna make friends in LA. They're gonna obviously there's 88 Rising, the staff, the managers, choreographers, vocal coach, and everything like that. But at the end of the day, they go home to their apartment or their wherever they live, and they break down. They could break down, but they have each other, and they'll break down together, and they'll be there for each other. And that's where again where the adult comes into it, where you're like, I think they're at a point because if they were like 16, 17, I feel like it would be different. I think they won't be as like they don't know how to handle situations better, and I think that's great for them that they are older and that they understand, especially when they came to Christy's father about that, and also Shaz, who said just she's very, because she was used to like being away from family. It's just how it is, and I think getting older, you tend to know like, okay, I know that I miss my family, but I'm not a kid anymore. I have to, my family wants me to follow my dream, so I'm gonna do that. And if I have to leave my family for it, my parents will understand because that's what they want from me. Aww. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Go check out more from Nona. Like I said, it was fun. I don't care about the views, but I kind of do. I really don't. I'm here to appreciate Indonesia. Again, I'm loving the Indonesian culture. I looked up some food from it actually because I was at a restaurant and I was like, oh, there's some Indonesian food here. Sambal. I'm gonna definitely try that one day. But um, I may appreciate Nona. Again, I'm very looking forward to seeing them in concert. Honestly, I've been kind of thinking about concerts nowadays because damn, it's very, very a lot now. But Nona is definitely a priority, like a solo concert, and I hopefully can get to see them with a meet and greet. That'd be really awesome. I don't expect them to know me and all, but I just want to show that like I'm there supporting them, and maybe one day they can see my video. So. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to Raditya Dika. He's a great host. I feel like he just lets the girls have their, conversations and their time, but also follow up with something funny and like that. It's really, really nice. Podcast for me is something I watch. Of course, I watch YouTube reactions all the time, so I pay a lot of attention to those who are very like genuine about it. I'm very grateful that a lot of you guys have also said I'm very genuine about my reactions. I'm not acting this. I'm not faking it. They're damn beautiful. Like, how can you fake that? What I mean, they are freaking beautiful, and loving their vocals. Again, I love music so much, and I always, grew accustomed to the very R&B sound which they have. So yeah, man, thank you Orchids for watching, and I want to say thank you guys for healing my. I'm good. I'm literally good now. Like when I was trying to talk earlier, I could not talk because it was like very itchy. But I'm healed now, so how do you say thank you in Indonesian? Cantik is beautiful, right? Hey, how do you say thank you in Indonesian? Terima kasih. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.